Now let's see question number assignment task 2, question number 1, that is based on grammar. So firstly we will understand what are the grammar. So grammars are the set of rules that generate the valid sentence in a language. Here are some of the production rules, that is a sentence can be generated by noun phrase or verb phrase. A noun phrase can be generated by adjective noun followed by article noun. A verb phrase can be generated by verb phrase. Article can be a or the. Adjective can be large or hungry. Noun can be rabbit or mathematician. Verb can be each and hops. Adverb can be quickly or widely. These are the examples. Now we will see who was Avram Noam Chomsky. Avram Noam Chomsky was born in 1928. A phrase structure grammar or according to him, a phrase structure grammar or simply grammar is NTPS, where n is a finite non-empty set of non-terminals, t is a finite non-empty set of terminals, n intersection t equal to phi, s is a special non-terminal, that is s belong to n called start terminal, p is a finite set whose elements are in the form a alpha implies beta. Now let's see question number 1. Use the set of production to show that each of these sentences is a valid string. These are the set of production rule. By following this, we have to show the following sentence that sentence are valid sentences or not. So let's see each sentence one by one. A. The happy air runs. Firstly, the sentence is divided into noun phrase, intransitive, verb phrase. Now the noun phrase is divided into article, adjective, noun, intransitive, verb phrase, and then it is further divided into article, adjective, noun, intransitive, verb. And after the three steps, we get our sentence as the happy air runs. Let's see another example. The bee, the sleepy tortoise runs quickly. In this, the sentence is divided into noun phrase, intransitive, verb phrase, and then that is further divided into article, adjective, noun, intransitive, verb phrase, and then it is also further expanded as article, adjective, noun, intransitive, verb phrase. After the fourth step, we get our sentence as the sleepy tortoise runs quickly. Question number C. The tortoise passes the hare. In this, the sentence is represented by noun phrase, transitive, verb phrase, noun phrase. Then article, noun, transitive, verb phrase, noun phrase. Then again article, noun, transitive, verb, noun phrase. Article, noun, transitive, verb, article, noun. And after following the fourth step, we get our answer is the tortoise passes the hare. D is the sleepy hare passes the happy tortoise. In this, the sentence is noun phrase, transitive, verb phrase, noun phrase, article, adjective, noun, transitive, verb phrase, noun phrase, article, adjective, noun, transitive, verb, noun phrase, article, adjective, noun, transitive, verb, article, adjective, noun. And after 6 steps, we get the sleepy hare passes the happy tortoise. This was the question number 1, or based on the grammar to check if the sentence is valid or not. Thank you.